Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy yet simple and easy to make coconut rice. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my cast iron kadai with 1 tablespoon A2 desi ghee. Instead of A2 desi ghee, you can use any wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the ghee is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon chana dal, half teaspoon urad dal, and on medium to low flame, I'm lightly roasting the dals. Once the dal starts to get roasted, add in 3 tablespoons raw peanuts. Give it a stir and allow the raw peanuts to get roasted. Remember, I'm using a heavy bottomed cast iron pan, hence heat retention will be more. Cooking in a cast iron cookware helps in better iron absorption. Those with iron deficiency anemia, try to cook at least one of your meal in a cast iron cookware for better iron absorption. Once the peanuts starts to split and is roasted, add in half teaspoon mustard seeds. Give it a stir and allow the mustard seeds to splutter. Once the mustard seeds splutters, add in 6 whole red chilies, 1 inch ginger finely chopped and 1 green chilli finely chopped. 2 tablespoons or a handful of cashew nuts. For a subtle sweetness, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon raisins and give it all a good stir. Add in 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida powder, 1 cup grated fresh coconut, 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Lightly roast the coconut on low flame until it starts to get light golden brown in color. The rice I'm using in this recipe is a traditional variety of rice known as thuyamalli. Thuyamalli rice is a rich source of B vitamins, ideal for those with health issues like PCOS and thyroid. So what I've done is I took 1 cup of thuyamalli rice, and once the rice is boiled and cooked, I strained the rice and allowed it to cool down completely. The best thing about using cooled rice is that once the rice is cooled, it turns into resistant starch. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of resistant starch. Please do check it out. Links will be updated in the description box below this video. I'm using 3 cups of cooked and strained thuyamalli rice. Okay, now the coconut has toasted lightly and has started to turn light golden brown in color. At this stage, I'm adding in 2 to 3 sprigs of fresh moringa leaves. Instead of moringa leaves, you can use curry leaves in this recipe. Traditionally, coconut rice is made using curry leaves, but I swapped the curry leaves with moringa leaves for the added benefits moringa leaves gives. Moringa is known as nature's multivitamin, and it's always ideal to include moringa in your diet as much as possible. I have already shared countless recipes on moringa along with its health benefits. I will leave the links of some of the moringa recipes in the description box below this video. Give it a good stir and allow the moringa leaves to wilt lightly. Moringa leaves has a subtle bitter taste, but don't worry, the ingredients I have used will help to mellow down the subtle bitterness of the moringa leaves. Once the moringa leaves has wilted, I am adding in the cooked thuyamalli rice. Give it a good stir. Now you can enjoy this moringa coconut rice with any side dish of your choice. Once done, transfer to a serving bowl. So guys, do try this healthy moringa coconut rice and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.